Shalom, brothers and sisters, shalom. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Maria. Welcome back to Trumpet's Call. I pray that you are holding on to faith and holding on to hope during these times. And we really need to hold on to faith and hold on to hope because the times in which we live are treacherous. As more and more information comes out about the things that are happening around us, we really need to hold on to the Most High and hold on to the salvation that He has sent. I wanted to do this video today and get it out relatively quickly because I feel it's important. I was sent some information by Brother D. Collins, and I watched it at the wee hours of the morning, and I prayed about what to do about the information that was sent, and I felt the Most High leading me to share it. And so I'm sharing it with you. The description box will hold the link to that information, and I will just give a brief summary as I am able to in this video to allow you to know what this is concerning, so you can even make an informed decision about whether or not you want to see the video. So this is about the things that have been happening in the world as of late for the past 2 years. And so we know what that is. The source of that. We've been told lots of things about how it originated, where it came from, which animal it was derived from. And there have been half-truths and lies all along the way. And we know that. But as time's going on, the Most High is allowing certain people to come into an awareness and a knowledge of how things are happening, and they're beginning to look at research and see things and how certain people are getting sick with certain things and then other people aren't. And so they're beginning to put 2 and 2 together to figure out what's been happening. And so that's what this information that I'm putting out is about. And so watch it, pray about it, and then see what you think you need to do in order to make changes. You know, they say that water is life. And they say that also the scriptures teach that the life is in the blood. And when Messiah was struck, when he was pierced, both water and blood came out, which are both indicative of life. And so the times in which we live, both the water and the blood are under attack. Hear what I'm saying in the spirit realm, and also hear what I'm saying in the natural. Both the water and the blood are under attack, under physical attack and under spiritual attack. Our water supply has been compromised. The blood of people in the form of their DNA has been compromised. So the water and the blood are under attack. So we need to be mindful, we need to be prayerful, and we need to operate with a level of discernment regarding how to best navigate things in this world. Okay? So after you watch what I've linked to in the description box, just be in prayer about how the Most High would have you to respond to what you're seeing, and how He would have you to make any necessary changes, or just your mindset. How will your mindset change after you see what you see? Okay? So I'm going to, without further ado, end this video so that you can click over and watch the other and then be instructed as I was. And once again, I want to thank Brother D. Collins for sending this to me. It was very instructional, and I believe that this person who put this video together has hit on a really huge truth that we all need to understand and know. So thank you for joining me once again on the channel. May the Most High Baruch bless and keep you, brothers and sisters. May He make His face to shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May He lift up His countenance upon you and grant you shalom, peace, today and every day. Shalom, brothers and sisters.